Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to talk about the difference between house and home. If somebody lives under a tree, it is not a house for him, but it can certainly be a home for him. House is more related with walls, roof, कंस्ट्रक्शन, बिल्डिंग, लेकिन होम जो होता है वो जज्बात से जुड़ा होता है. इफ यू लिव with your family or with somebody where you go at night, you sit together, you talk together, that is called home. प्रॉब्लम तब आती है कि जब होम और हाउस दोनों को हिंदी में घर कहते हैं, and that's why it is hard for us to make the difference. हम हाउस बेच सकते हैं, होम नहीं बेच सकते. हम होम शिफ्ट करते हैं. So we shift our home to a different house and we sell the house. Home is something that is not very much visible or tangible thing, kind of. The place where you live is your home. वो जगह जहां आप रहते हैं वो होम है. लेकिन एक आदमी कई हाउस ओन कर सकता है. A person can own many different houses, but one person can have only one home at a time. So hope you understand the difference between house and home. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you so much.